Alright, I just created a second channel where I'm going to upload elevator videos and building tours. I'm going to do it in real life and in Skyscrapersim, which the sad news is you cannot download this game anymore. I luckily downloaded this game before it was discontinued, so yeah, today we're at the Richardson Visitor Center, and there's only 2 elevators here, so yeah, let's get going. Right, now we're at the first elevator, and it appears to be a ThyssenKrupp Signa 4. The cab, it's typical, I guess. Let's go to 3. Watch the indicator. Here we are at 3. Let's go to 1. It's traction. This is a pretty nice elevator. It's fairly new. And there you go. There's the first elevator, and I believe there is a second elevator here. Alright, I found the second elevator here, and it's another ThyssenKrupp Signa 4, but this one has a 2-speed door, and this one goes down. The cab looks pretty much the exact same as the other one. Let's go to the basement. It's also traction. Let's go to 3. Let's watch the indicator. This elevator is actually nice. Let's go back down to 1. Not much to say about this one. It's basically a ThyssenKrupp Signa 4 traction. There's the indicator. Here we go. And that's it.